The journey begins with the careful selection of corn popcorn seeds, chosen for their perfect size, hard shell, and ideal moisture balance.
Only corn seeds that meet strict moisture and safety standards are approved for cultivation. Every corn seed is tracked, certified, and protected to ensure absolute food safety from the very beginning.
With the right corn seeds chosen, planting begins on carefully prepared farmland.
Each corn seed is planted under controlled conditions to give it the strongest possible start.
Soil, water, and nutrients are precisely managed to support healthy corn growth. As days pass, corn plants grow steadily under continuous observation.
The cornfields are monitored regularly to detect any signs of stress or disease.
Pests are controlled responsibly, protecting the corn while preserving the environment.
This careful balance ensures the corn grows pure and ready for the next stage of its transformation.
The harvest begins only when corn reaches full physiological maturity.
Each corn cob is carefully checked to confirm the kernels have developed the ideal internal structure.
Visual signs across the field confirm that the corn is ready for harvesting.
Harvesting corn by hand allows precise selection at the perfect moment.
Each corn cob is removed individually to preserve kernel quality.
Hand-harvested corn is handled gently from the very first moment. Initial field sorting ensures only high-quality corn moves forward. Proper airflow protects the corn from excess moisture after harvest.
The field reveals the result of precise timing and skilled manual harvest.
Harvested at peak maturity, the corn is now ready to begin its transformation beyond the farm.
The corn is transported under controlled conditions to preserve its natural quality. Every detail of corn transportation is designed to prevent stress and moisture buildup.
This marks the transition of corn from agriculture to industrial processing.
Upon arrival, corn enters the reception stage for careful evaluation.
Kernel structure reveals whether the corn meets processing standards.
Only corn that meets strict criteria is allowed to move forward.
The corn now transitions from manual inspection to systematic sorting. Advanced systems assist in classifying corn by physical characteristics. Preparation ensures consistency without compromising the corn structure.
Each corn batch is documented and prepared for the next stage. Short-term stabilization allows the corn to adapt to factory conditions.
Now received and classified, the corn is ready to advance deeper into transformation.
At this stage, corn quality is verified with absolute precision. Moisture levels of corn are measured to ensure optimal performance during popping.
Popping efficiency reveals the internal quality of each corn batch. Only corn that meets every requirement continues forward. Damaged corn is automatically removed to protect product consistency. mold-free corn is essential for safety and shelf stability. What remains is corn that fully meets production standards.
Only qualified corn advances to become premium popcorn. Before corn can transform, every supporting ingredient is carefully prepared.
Butter quality is evaluated through visual and sensory inspection.
Melting behavior reveals the butter's performance under heat.
Aroma and purity ensure the butter will complement the corn perfectly.
Only verified butter moves forward into production.
Seasonings are prepared with the same attention to detail.
Sweetness is measured to balance flavor without overpowering the corn. Flavor enhancers are carefully controlled to maintain consistency.
Precise measurement ensures uniform flavor across every corn batch.
Every ingredient follows a strict factory formula.
The corn roaster is brought to optimal operating temperature.
Temperature stability is essential for consistent corn popping.
Melted butter enters the process at the precise moment. Even distribution prepares the environment for corn activation.
The corn enters the chamber under carefully controlled conditions.
Heat and motion begin working together on the corn.
Controlled heat prepares the corn for transformation.
Inside each corn kernel, energy begins to rise.
The machine maintains perfect balance between heat and movement. Corn remains evenly distributed, no kernel left behind.
Every variable is managed to protect corn quality.
The corn is now at the threshold of transformation. Preparation is complete, and the corn is ready to burst into its next form.
From precision and patience, the corn is ready to become popcorn. Inside the chamber, corn begins to reach its critical point. Pressure builds inside each corn kernel as heat continues to rise.
At peak pressure, the corn kernel can no longer contain its energy.
One by one, corn transforms into popcorn.
The system is designed to allow corn to pop freely without breakage. Once pressure is released, the corn reaches its final popped form.
The newly popped corn exits the chamber with its structure intact.
Warm butter is applied gently to coat the corn evenly.
Even coverage ensures flavor without softening the corn.
Automation protects corn texture while enhancing taste. Seasoning is introduced with exact control.
Uniform distribution defines flavor consistency.
Sweetness and saltiness are precisely balanced for the corn. Gentle mixant blends flavor without damaging the corn.
Motion replaces force in protecting corn integrity.
The mixer is engineered specifically for delicate corn.
The result is corn that is flavorful yet crisp. Technology and timing work together for flawless corn preparation. This stage defines the signature taste of the corn. From pressure to perfection, the corn has completed its transformation.
After seasoning, corn must be stabilized to preserve its texture.
Rapid cooling locks in the corn's crisp structure.
Controlled airflow prevents the corn from becoming soft.
Cooling time and temperature are carefully balanced for corn stability.
Gentle motion maintains corn integrity during cooling.
The corn is now fully stabilized.
Final screening removes imperfections from the corn. Any corn that failed to pop is removed. Only fully expanded corn remains in the process.
Precision ensures consistency in every corn package.
Automation maintains uniformity across all corn packs. Specialized materials preserve corn freshness. Internal atmosphere maintains corn quality over time.
The corn is now fully protected and prepared.
Inside each package, corn retains its freshness and crunch.
Uniform packaging reflects disciplined corn processing.
Efficiency ensures corn quality at scale. Stabilized, sealed, and preserved, the corn is ready for the world. Before release, every corn product undergoes final evaluation.
Texture testing confirms the corn's crispness.
Fat levels are verified to match formulation targets for corn.
Shelf stability determines how long corn remains safe and fresh.
Identification begins once corn quality is confirmed.
Transparency starts with clear corn labeling.
Time tracking protects corn integrity for consumers.
Labeled corn is now ready for grouping.
Packaging by batch preserves corn traceability.
Sealing secures corn batches for shipment.
Integrity is protected until the final destination.
After production, corn enters a controlled storage environment. Temperature and humidity are carefully managed to protect corn quality.
Corn is handled efficiently and gently during storage operations.
Each corn shipment is prepared for its destination.
Corn begins its journey beyond the factory.
Distribution connects corn to everyday life. Packaging communicates the corn's identity.
Placement increases corn visibility and appeal.
Choice begins with visual connection.
Information builds trust in the corn. Value plays a role in corn selection.
Decision transforms corn into a personal choice.
Corn becomes part of everyday moments.
At the end of the journey, corn becomes part of a real moment.
From soil to science, every step shapes the corn you hold.
This is not just popcorn. This is corn perfected.